Hi friends, welcome to this question. So this is one of the important question for JEE, right? So they have given this reagent, to that they are adding magnesium presence of ether. So here we will get Grignard reagent, right? Grignard reagent will get followed by D2O they are adding, followed by sodium in presence of ether. Sodium in presence of ether, what happens, everything we shall see now, and we'll get a product A. Is they have given the four options, right? So one of the easiest question, we can easily solve them. So initially let me start it with the given molecule. They have given this cyclobutane. Here we have bromine and here we have what? Chlorine. We know that carbon bromine bond will be very weak. Very weak. Why it is weak? Because carbon belongs to second period, whereas bromine belong to what? Fourth period, right? Whereas here carbon chlorine bond will be somewhat strong compared to carbon bromine bond, because carbon belongs to second period whereas chlorine belongs to third period. So whenever we add magnesium in presence of ether, we should get Grignard reagent, right? So Grignard reagent, that magnesium will not attack chlorine, it will attack this bromine. It forms what? Carbon minus MgBr plus. So I can write like this also, or sometimes they will show this bond here between carbon and magnesium, but this bond will be ionic. So I will show carbon is having negative charge, magnesium will be having positive charge. Further to that they are adding what? Heavy water, D2O, heavy water. So what happens here? D2O, can I write it like this? DOD, right? So this carbon is having negative charge, so this negative charge takes this deuterium, so we'll get this product. So here chlorine will remain as it is, and here it gets deuterium, and this magnesium MgBr plus will react with ODR minus to form MgODBr, right? So these reactions you have studied, even it is there in textbook, right? So this is the molecule we have got, right? Further what they are adding? They are adding sodium in presence of ether. Sodium in presence of ether. We know that whenever Rx is there, alkyl halide in presence of sodium, if two molecules of alkyl halides are there, so there will be removal of sodium chloride or sodium bromide. So can I write it like this? RR bond will be formed, that is we will get alkane. Along with that, two molecules of NaX will be liberated. This reaction we call it as what? Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. Same thing they have asked it in JEE also. See here we have these two molecules. To that they are adding what now? Sodium in presence of ether. Sodium in presence of ether. Can I write the given molecule like this? Here let me write deuterium. Here I have chlorine. Similarly I will write it like this. Here I have chlorine. Here I have deuterium. To I am adding sodium in presence of solvent ether. So what product should I get? So I will get this product, right? Here one D and here one D. So this is the my product A, which I have to see. So this is not the correct option, this is the true, whereas this is wrong, this is wrong. So answer is B1. Thank you.